The next kanji is tang. Tang. Tang means single or one. So let's say tan tai. Tan tai. Tan tai means single body, which means elements. For example, you have hydrogen only. You have oxygen only. You don't mix hydrogen with oxygen to make water, right? So tan tai means hydrogen, oxygen, just the elements. Okay. You also know this word, tango. Tango. The single language, which means words. So this is like words, like tango, tango. One words. This one is also easy. Kantang. Kantang, which means easy. You have learned this before, I guess. So kantang means easy. Simple. The next kanji is tai. Tai or karada. Karada, which means body. So we have tantai before, as the slide before. We got tantai, which means elements. Just the hydrogen, just the oxygen, just the carbon, not mixture, not a substance, just element. We also got taiji. Taiji. Tai means body, ji means heavy. So taiji means the heavy of a body, which means body weight. So for example, my body weight is currently 64 kilograms. I just, know it like yesterday. Or tairyoku. Tairyoku. The body's strength. It means stamina. So for example, if you are an athlete, you have big stamina, good stamina. 体力がすごいね. The next kanji is go or au. Au. Okay. Au means match. So we have this on the previous slide. Kongobutsu. Okay. Kongobutsu. This one is mixture. Mixture with Kongo means the mixture and butsu means things. Kongobutsu. We have also got kagobutsu. Kagobutsu. Okay. Ka means changes. Kago means the changes, and you match things that changes and things. So it means compound. Kagobutsu. For example, if you mix if you mix hydrogen with oxygen, you get H2O, which means compound. Okay. If you mix more than one element into certain things, we call it a compound, right? CO2, CO, H2O, SO4, like that. The next one is goking. Goking. If you mix metal, if you match metal, you got alloy. Okay, goking. The next kanji is gen. Gen or hara, which means plane or origin. So we got the first one is genshi. Genshi. Genshi means atom. So shi means children or single stuff, small stuff. The origin of small things is an atom. So this one is genshi. This one is quite different from chemistry. We call it nohara. Nohara is just green field. So hara can also mean plain field. So nohara is a wild plain field or green field. Okay. This one is quite interesting. Is this the name of a place? Can you guess it? This one's called Harajuku. Harajuku. Yes, the otaku culture in Tokyo. Harajuku. The next kanji is shi or su. And the onyomi is ko, which means child, children, small. So you got genshi here, genshi, which means the origin of small things, which means item. The next one is bunshi. Bunshi. Bun means separate. You separate things. You separate the small things. You got molecule. Okay. Genshi is an atom. Bunshi is molecule. You got another one. Denshi. Denshi. Okay. Denshi. Denshi. Den means electricity. The small stuff of electricity is an electron. Okay. Genshi, bunshi, denshi. The next kanji is kaku. Kaku. Kaku means the core. So we got genshi kaku. Genshi kaku. Genshi kaku. So genshi means atom, and you got the core of an atom, which means the nucleus. Next one is kakuheiki. Kakuheiki. Kaku means the core, or you can say the nuclear, while heiki, hei is military, ki is the stuff, heiki means military stuff, which means nuclear weapon. The nuclear weapon. This one you can use a lot. Kakusan. Kakusan. Kakusan means nucleic acid. So we got nuclear here, and san means acid. So kakusan means nucleic acid in protein stuff. Okay.